Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hey boo hey, congratulations on waking up this morning. I got some PR from Good Molecules, and if you want to see me try it out and get my thoughts on the products, then go ahead and keep watching this video and let's get into it. Okay, so the good people at Good Molecules did send me a couple of items in PR. It's your girl's first PR. Look at me getting PR now. You love to see it. So they sent me a couple of things. The first thing that they sent me was this clarifying cleansing bar, which I absolutely liked. It did such a great job at taking off my makeup. It's just this brown little soap bar and it says Good Molecules on it. It's so cute. I lathered it into my hands before applying it to my face, and as you can see, it was already starting to get active, baby. It was getting active. It was taking that makeup off, and I absolutely love that for me because do you see it? Do you see how clean my face is getting? It's like it's pulling everything. So I'm really excited for that. I had this makeup on for like over 9 hours, I think, and yeah, it was getting that joint off. So some of the soap was getting in my hair, so I just went ahead and grabbed my little hair headband thing that I got for when I do skincare, and I absolutely love this. I got it at TJ Maxx. It was like $8 or something. It's so cute. Don't we love it? It is pink. It has a bow. Do you see the bow? I love it. I love it so much. So because I have lash extensions, I do have to use wipes, not wipes, but like pads to clean off my makeup. And it took me about 4 pads to use to get all of this off with the product, which is about average amount of how many pads it takes me usually to cleanse it off. But do you see how much makeup is on that? Oh my goodness. Yes. And never forget your neck. Don't be dirty. Remember your neck. But yeah, I'm just like rubbing it away. This was me after the 4th pad, and pretty much a good, if not all of it, was off my face, and this is what my skin was looking like, and it looks so clean. I absolutely love how clean my face looked, how clean my face felt, and just how good everything like came out. Because do you see the skin? The skin is skinning. The skin looks so juicy. Wow. So yeah, I definitely love the cleansing bar. I'm definitely gonna make that a staple use. Look at it. I was even shocked. Like, wow, do you see it? Do you see it? So this is what my face looked like, dry it off. Now I'm gonna go in using their Nectamine Toner. I'm usually not a fan of toners because I have dry skin and it usually irritates my skin, but this toner actually was pretty like nice and like soft to my skin, if that makes sense. Like, it didn't make my skin burn or make me like irritate or anything. I put a couple of droplets of it on the pad and then applied it like the instructions said to do, and yeah, it left my face feeling like clean, but like not dried out or not like, you know, annoyed. So yeah. And when it comes to fragrance for these products, the only thing that it said had like a significant fragrance was the cleansing bar. So if you're sensitive to like fragrances and stuff on your skin, I would still suggest it, but just know that like there's a distinct like, this is skincare fragrance that comes with it. Next, I went in with the Discoloration correction serum. It says to shake it really well, so I did shake it really well. This was a cool product. It definitely gave my skin like a nice glow, but taking this out of the bottle, you guys are gonna see like when I put it on my face, it's really liquidy, so you really have to move fast with it. You have to move fastest, because otherwise that thing is gonna drip down. Like, it was coming down. It was going downhill like Jack and Jill. It was, yeah, so you're gonna have to move quickly, but it was a really nice serum. I definitely think I'll use it and add it into like, you know, my nighttime routine, like for that cute extra like slight glow, you know what I mean? I haven't used the products long enough for me to see if it like helps with discoloration yet, so I just made sure to put it in all of the areas where like I have the most discoloration, which is like around my mouth area. And yeah, so it was cute. It was cute. She was giving glow. She gave skin. So this is what my skin looks like after putting the serum on. It was giving glow. I was so happy because like, yes, it felt so good to take my makeup off and my skin was just giving. Next, I'm going to use the final product, which is the priming moisturizer. So after you put it on the serum, it does says to wait a little bit before adding the moisturizer. So I waited for about like 5 minutes and then added the moisturizer as my final step. And yeah, the moisturizer felt so good on. It definitely felt like soothing and like not cold, but like it felt good. It wasn't super cold, because you know how some like moisturizers after you wash your face it can feel like really cold on your skin, but it just felt good. It felt nice and subtle. Overall, I definitely would give this brand a try. I definitely would suggest it. I think this is definitely a great brand for if you're like new into skincare, but if you're not trying to spend skincare monies, because listen, skincare be expensive, okay? Skincare be expensive. This stuff be expensive. So if you're new into it, or if you're like really young and you're like trying to like get your skincare routine together, for all the like my young people, this is definitely a good brand for you. It's definitely budget friendly, and yeah, it's cute. It's cute. I definitely would recommend this to like my younger siblings and stuff, and just anyone who just wants to get into skincare but not spend too much money. But yeah, those are my thoughts on it. Definitely go ahead and try it out. Let me know. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.